Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation podcast. I am Joe.
Hi, everyone, and I'm Anna. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Thank you for joining us. It means a lot. We love practicing English with you.
Yes, it's always nice to learn together and to practice in a relaxed way.
Today's topic is very simple, very common, something we all talk about.
Yes, something from everyday life. Your day.
How your day starts, what you do, and how it feels.
These are things people ask all the time, with friends, at work, or when meeting someone new.
Many English learners feel nervous here. They know the words, but they don't know how to start.
That's very normal. Talking about your day can feel hard, but it doesn't have to be.
You don't need long sentences. You don't need big words. Simple English works best.
Small details are enough, but they still feel real and natural.
Before we continue, we want to say this. If this podcast helps you,
Please like this episode and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us a lot.
it helps us make more conversations, more practice, and more confidence for you.
Thank you for being here. Now, let's get back to the topic.
Think about a simple question. How was your day?
It sounds easy, but it opens a real conversation.
You can talk about the morning, work, or study in the evening.
You can also talk about feelings, happy, busy, or tired.
All of this is daily English, the kind people really use.
And we will practice it slowly, step by step, starting from the morning.
Starting from the morning feels natural. That's usually where the day begins.
Yes, morning sets the mood for the whole day.
People often ask this first. What time do you wake up?
And that question is very easy to answer, even for beginners.
You can say a simple time, 7, 8, or later.
You don't need to explain everything. Just one clear sentence is enough.
After waking up, people usually do small things.
Very small things, but very common.
Brushing teeth, taking a shower, getting dressed.
These actions happen every day, so the English becomes familiar.
Then comes breakfast, another easy topic.
Yes, food is always good for conversation.
You can say what you eat, or if you skip breakfast.
Both are normal. Both are real life.
Some people eat quickly. Some people take their time.
And some people just drink coffee.
That's very common, especially on busy mornings.
Busy mornings happen to everyone.
After that, the day usually moves forward.
Work, study, or daily tasks.
You can say where you go or what you start doing.
You don't need details yet, just the main idea.
For example, I go to work.
Or I study at home.
These sentences are short, but they sound natural.
And they help the conversation continue.
Morning talk is simple, but very powerful.
Because it leads into the rest of the day.
Once the morning is clear, everything else feels easier to explain.
Yes, from here, the day starts to feel more active.
That's when things usually speed up. The middle of the day.
Yes, this is when people are busiest.
Work becomes the focus, or study, or daily responsibilities.
And this part of the day sounds similar for many people.
People often talk about tasks, meetings, or assignments.
Simple words work best here. Nothing complicated.
You can say what you are doing right now.
Like answering emails or attending meetings.
These are very common phrases. People hear them all the time.
So learners don't feel lost.
Sometimes the day feels long. Sometimes it feels fast.
And that feeling is easy to express.
You can say you're busy or tired.
Or even stressed. That's real life.
Then lunch comes, a small break.
An important break for energy.
People like talking about lunch, where they eat, what they eat.
It's relaxed conversation, not serious.
Some eat at home, Some eat at work.
And some eat outside with friends.
After lunch, the day continues.
Sometimes slowly, sometimes quickly.
This is when focus can be hard.
Yes, many people feel tired then.
You can say that honestly. It sounds natural.
And people understand you.
Afternoon talk is about routine, not excitement.
But it connects the day together.
Once you explain this part, the story of your day feels complete.
And it gently leads toward the evening.
By this time, the day starts to slow down a little.
Yes, people begin thinking about finishing.
Work tasks come to an end, or classes finish.
That moment feels good, relieving.
People often talk about what's left to do, just one more thing.
Or one last meeting.
This is common English, very natural.
You hear it everywhere.
Then the workday ends. Finally,
And the tone changes.
people talk about going home or leaving work.
Simple sentences work best here.
You can say you finish work or you log off.
Or you head home.
These phrases sound natural, very everyday.
And easy to remember.
After that, personal time begins.
Yes, this is important.
People often mention how they feel, tired, hungry.
Sometimes relaxed.
Evening talk is calmer, more personal.
Less pressure.
People talk about dinner, cooking, ordering food.
Food is a great topic, always.
You don't need details, just the basics.
That keeps the conversation easy.
Some people go out, some stay home.
Both are normal.
This part of the day feels familiar for everyone.
That's why it's easy to talk about.
When you explain your evening, your day feels complete.
And it naturally moves toward winding down.
Later in the evening, things feel quieter.
Yes, much calmer.
People slow down. They breathe more easily.
The busy part is over.
This is when people relax, in simple ways.
Nothing complicated.
Some watch TV, some scroll on their phone.
Very common habits.
Others talk with family or friends.
That time matters a lot.
Even simple conversations help after a long day.
They make you feel connected.
People also talk about tomorrow, lightly.
Not in a stressful way.
Just small plans or reminders.
Like setting an alarm.
Or preparing clothes or bags.
Simple actions.
English here is very soft, very natural.
Nothing formal.
You might hear phrases about being tired or ready to rest.
These are useful phrases.
They come up in daily talk all the time.
Especially at night.
People may mention the day again, briefly.
Just a short reflection.
What went well, what was difficult.
Not too deep.
Then attention shifts toward rest.
Toward sleep.
This part of the day feels familiar to everyone.
That's why it's easy to explain in English.
When you describe this time, your day feels finished.
And it naturally prepares you for the final moments.
By the end of the day, people often think back.
Just for a moment.
They remember small actions, simple routines.
Those routines need simple words.
Words we used today. Very common words.
Words you already hear every day.
Let's look at a few together.
Slowly, one by one.
Wake up. This means opening your eyes, starting your day.
It happens every morning.
Work. This is what you do for your job or daily tasks.
Many people use this word often.
Break. A short rest, a pause.
Very important during the day.
Relax. This means resting your body or mind.
Usually in the evening.
Routine. The things you do again and again.
Daily habits.
Evening. The time after work, before sleep.
A calm time for many people.
Sleep. The final action of the day.
Everyone needs it.
These words help you explain your life without stress.
You don't need long sentences.
Short lines are enough, clear ideas.
That's real English.
If you practice these words daily, they feel natural.
Just like your routine.
Before we finish, thank you for staying with us.
We really appreciate your time.
If this episode helped you, please like it.
And subscribe to our channel.
Your support keeps this podcast going.
And helps more learners practice English.
Now, a simple question for you.
Answer in English. Short is perfect.
What is one thing you do every evening?
Write it in the comments. We'd love to read it.